Get the munchies tonight. Not really want to cook stuff, so we're gonna go reverse quesadilla slash reverse omelet.
Oh, I thought it was just cheese.
No. Watch. So what we do is we get the cheese right. We don't want the burn, so we keep kind of lowish. It's a little too high right now. Put a little jalapenos in here. I didn't season anything, so it's gonna be kind of bland. Cheese will make it salty. Basically, what I'm gonna do is gonna pour this egg right here, right? Try to get it on. Just use 2 eggs technically. I'm only using 1 right now. I'm a fucking dumbass. And then just try to heat up a little bit. You cover it, you know, because the egg's not gonna cook if you don't cover it. I'm listening to Bill Burr right now, even though I don't even listen to Bill Burr usually. I'm just listening to him now. Yeah, so we just gotta wait for this to steam. We cover it because it'll cook the eggs on top, and it'll be really yummy if you like cook it if the eggs are cooked. It'll be yummy. It won't. It's like snot. It tastes like snot when it's it's all snotty when you don't cook it. It's not yummy. So yeah. Tonight we had some really delicious creamy. Fuck, I should have made creamy pesto, huh? See, I'm gonna do that next time. I got basil right here. I got basil leaves right here. Oh, but I gotta grind it though. I can't make pesto. I should have bought pesto though. Fuck, creamy pesto's fire. Alright, tomorrow we're having creamy pesto, alright? Hey, you're just gonna buy rigatoni and pesto sauce. Just like shitty classical pesto. Yo, that sounds so fire. Should I even eat this right now? Oh, kind of gross. No, that's just fire. Big old bubble there. He's got poppers. See how snotty it is on
That does look
top?
pretty good, actually. I'm impressed.
I didn't beat the eggs very well. They're too separate. Shouldn't be so separate. What can I say? I'm a young Gordon Ramsay protege. So this is some uncooked pasta. I thought we were gonna eat a lot because I was kind of hungry. I was cooking, and then I sat down to watch battle, and it was kind of bad. So I got not hungry. Yeah. Also, funny thing, I don't know where the fuck this came from. It doesn't fit on any of the things. It's just a random. It doesn't really fit all the way. Like it's supposed to fit perfect, you know. I don't know where the fuck that came from. So what we're gonna do now is I don't know why there's so many bubbles. I think I overcooked the egg. Fuck. Yeah, I think I overcooked it. So what we're gonna do now is it's like an omelet, right? Hopefully this works. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. And you just fold it over. Ooh, see that? I fucked it up. It's broken. It's too oily right now. Gotta turn the heat up. I thought the cheese would be more like browned out, you know? But this one's kind of fucked up. Fuck, there's too much fat in here actually.
I feel like this is exactly the thing I ate when I was high, but just not eggs. I just dipped it in tortilla chips.
No, but like the thing is, it gets crispy, right? It's not like the other cheeses where you can just dip shit in it. Like you can't dip into this, bro. How am I gonna dip into this crispy ass cheese? So you gotta treat it like it's crispy cheese, alright? You gotta caress it with the spatula. You gotta flip it over, bro. What am I doing? I gotta flip it. Look at that browning right there. Almost like the crispy crust right along the corners. I made one this morning actually, with 2 eggs and Spam and onions and little spinach. So fire, so fire. I put 1 egg in this one. Fuck! I just burned myself. You know, at the Yummy House, we don't do the dishes right away. I really should just do the dishes right now. I was thinking of things to eat, and I was like thinking of like frozen foods. Like I don't really want mandu, so like I'm just gonna make some bullshit right now. It's kind of smelly too, because it's all like roasting shit. I had dishes earlier today, so a stack of fresh dishes right here. And, you know, I think it's ready, so I'm just gonna fuck it, grab it. I think I need to let it cool down. It's really hot, but yeah. I would cut it with this, but it's been sitting out for a while, so I think it's kind of good. I should cut it over, right? It's kind of hot. But Ideally, like I should have cooked the cheese a little better in the beginning. It didn't like crisp up right away. You can cook it at really high temperature at the beginning. It gets all crispy and yummy shit, and you can like hold it because it's so like. Oh, actually, I think I can. It's just too hot right now. Dude, I wish we had a blender. Should we get a blender? I want to make banana milkshakes. Sounds fire. Damn, who drank all this beer? Was this all Ken? Did you have one?
I have one.
Oh, Sasha had one too, right?
Yeah.
Shit. Alright. Oh, anyways. She's still hot. But if you can, like, hear that? It's cheese. It's just hella crispy. So you got the munchies at night. And you want something crispy and with a lot of calories. And, oh, fuck, it's hot. Yeah, just cheese. Fuck, that hurt, actually. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. So we'll wait until it cools down. Oh, fuck, we should put this back in the fridge too. Huh? Oh, you guys have fucking. Give me the Parmesan cheese. Can you give me the Parmesan cheese? I went to the Trader Joe's today and the cashier roasted me to my driver's license picture. Looked like I was like, really stupid. He roasted me. See that? That little piece. Just cheese on the outside, which is all crisped up. And then egg. I put jalapeno in there too. Fuck, hot. Why is it so hot? It's not that good. It's like, it's actually pretty okay. But the egg, I didn't add any pepper or salt to the egg, so it's kind of fucked up. I wish I had mixed it better, the egg. It's just egg white here only. But I like the egg white with the yolk. It tastes so unhealthy. I like it though. Actually, it does kind of taste healthy because it's because of the egg, but the cheese is so much fucking fat, grease and shit. Yeah, this is a prettier piece. Look at that. Fuck, it's hot. It's like a little quesadilla. You can just. Ah! I didn't think the center was that hot. Fuck. Yeah, it's like an omelet, right? But it's also a quesadilla because it's like cheese, and you can cut it like a quesadilla. Fuck, why is it so hot? Fuck.
It's that oil, probably. The cheese and shit.
Oh, cheese oil. Little piece. Fuck. I kinda wish I didn't make this. I want quesadilla instead. It's so greasy, fucking hell. Dude, the jalapenos I bought, they're kinda shit. They're really salty. I wasn't that.
Okay, cool. With that.
It was pretty good. I'll give it like a 3 out of 10. Like, the jalapenos are really fire. I'd probably give it like a 6 out of 10. But the jalapenos kind of taste like they're from a movie theater when they put it on the shitty nachos. So it's kind of shitty. The cheese on the hot pan was pretty cool. I've done it before, but I think the cheese I have now, because I ran out of the good cheese I had before, is too greasy, so it makes everything too oily. But the taste was pretty good, and the egg was kind of fucked up, but it tastes pretty good. And I give it 3 out of 5 stars. Yeah, probably gonna make something else. Actually, no, I'm kind of full. I don't even know anymore. Yeah, I don't even know anymore. But this has been Kent's Yummy House. It's not my Yummy House. It's Kent's. Yeah, just the wrong. Oh no.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, the pasta earlier today too, I would rate that like a 0.7 out of 10. It wasn't great, you know. I felt like it was kind of like lacking in flavors. I wish it was more. I wish it was creamier in some ways, but I don't know. I want that like. I want that crimson red, you know. I don't want that tomato sauce. I want a little like lighter, almost orangish, like a tomato basil soup type color. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But anyways, I guess it's just time for me to talk about things, huh? Like stuff that's been going on. My friend's coming tomorrow. I gotta pick him up. I totally forgot about that, bro. I gotta pick him up tomorrow. Fuck.
Yeah, I forgot about it too. I was lying in bed when
It's cool. Is that tomorrow night? So it's like, damn, dude, let's go to H Mart. Dude, I've been craving ramen so much. Like me making this shitty white people food is like, it's bullshit, bro. When I make ramen, like I don't like just give up halfway like I did here. I actually put my heart into ramen, you know, because you know you can't fuck up ramen, right? You can always make ramen better, you know. I got recipes on recipes, bro. I got the technique. I got the, you know how I break an egg? I don't crack it like that. I got a flat surface with a paper towel usually on it. Just drop it from like a foot height, like half a foot. Just drop it. Clean split, and all you do is just crack it open. And then, but what I do with my ramen is like halfway through cooking the noodles, with like some good ass ramen, I would like separate the egg yolk from the egg white, you know, from the shells. Because you get the egg whites all cooked up in the ramen. You set the egg yolk just for like another minute or so, or like 30 seconds, and then put it in after. It'll be its own egg yolk that's cooked. It'll be it'll be just under medium. Just under medium. And then the egg whites will be all like in the soup, and it'll look like it's part of like the actual broth. And that's how you make ramen. And then for Japaghetti, which is the no broth one, you have the black bean sauce. You just gotta. There's 2 ways of doing it. You can poach the egg with the noodles, so you get that nice ball of yolk and an egg white on the outside. You break that on top of your Japaghetti, or you can just fry your egg, right? Have that looking like it's a fucking sunny side up on top of your fucking noodles, and then break that shit. The yolk rolls all over the noodles. It's fire. But you gotta clean the dishes right after you eat that, because it's fucked up. But yeah, today was cool. I feel like I'm at a therapist right now. I'm just talking to the camera, but also to Lawrence, but also Lawrence with the camera. Today was cool. It was really chill. I never really like pushed my poop out this morning, but we had battle of the Dillo bands, which was kind of stupid. Like I didn't really tell people about it, because I thought it was kind of stupid, but I still had fun making the video and stuff. I'm gonna post the video anyways, so like, you know, people will see it then, I guess. It's chill. Also, like the TV is fucked up because the sound's kind of shitty, and I mixed that shit for like 2 hours on the good JBL speakers, so fuck the TV. And yeah, the other acts were all kind of goof. So it's some Mickey Mouse bullshit, you know. Like when I was watching the other bands, I was like, what is this Mickey Mouse bullshit I see before my very eyes? And forgot what I was talking about. Yeah. That's someone's calling me on FaceTime. Hey. Hey. Oh, you're trying to run some games, bro?
I'm already set up, dude. Look at my new place.
Wait, hold on, give me a second. Yo, your place is nice. Oh, that's nice flooring. Damn.
I got the biggest room out of all of this.
Damn. Okay. All right, Brendan. All right. Big pussy gang, let's go.
Facts.
Yeah, we better go back fast. What are you doing right now? You doing some Naruto like jujitsu on me? I can do game sense too. You still filming? I'm on a private call right now on a secure line, and you're filming me? You standing there with your fucking boxer briefs and your fucking gooch. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this motherfucker. He's wearing his underwear. Bro, this guy looking like he's out of the fucking. Oh my god, you took a photo? No, you're fucking breaching his privacy. Look at you. Look at your balls. They're like slung up. They're like hanging on a hammock. Dude, your briefs are basically a hammock for your fucking balls, bro. I respect that, dude. You got some big ass balls. You ever admire another man's balls?
Are you high right now?
Yeah. You ever admire another man's balls? You ever just look at another man's balls and like, yo, get the fuck out of here. Yeah. I don't know who else wants to play though. You know Rod's coming tomorrow?
To Chicago?
Mm-hmm.
That's probably why
I mean, he's coming tomorrow night though. So it's like. I don't know. This dude's still fucking filming me, bro. I legit cooked in front of him, and then talked about random shit for like 20 minutes, and he's still filming me. I had pasta. I ate that a while ago though. I just made some bullshit omelet right now.
Brother said he fell asleep.
Oh, sick. Oh shit, did I say I was high in the video? Can you cut that out? I don't want my mom to see this and be like, my son is a fucking fucker.
How is your mom gonna see this video?
My mom sees every video of me.
Alright.
Actually, you know what? Fuck that. Hey mom, yes, I smoke weed. What about it, bitch?
I already told your mom, don't